Senior. 2 worst meats you should never touch and 2 you must eat daily. The global meat industry is a $1.4 trillion powerhouse. And guess who it's quietly profiting from the most? Seniors over 60.
Why?
Because aging bodies are more vulnerable. We trust the label. We trust the packaging. And we believe lean or grilled means healthy. But behind the scenes, you're being fed a dangerous mix of inflammatory proteins, hidden sodium bombs, and muscle-destroying toxins. All while the industry raises in billions. And the scariest part, most doctors don't even warn you. In this video, we're revealing the 2 worst meats every senior should avoid, and the 2 best meats you must eat daily to rebuild strength, reverse fatigue, and protect your heart. These meats are ranked from least to most dangerous or powerful. These are the meats they don't want you to know about.
Why?
Because they're cheaper to sell than to expose. Before we dive in, tell us in the comments where are you watching from. We're reading and replying to every single comment, and your answers help shape the next video. Now, without any further ado, let's start with number 1 on the worst list because this one may already be sitting in your fridge right now. Chapter 1. The Hidden Danger of Deli Turkey. Deli turkey isn't the health hero it pretends to be. It's actually a health time bomb for people over 60.
Why?
Because deli meats like turkey slices are ultra-processed foods, packed with hidden sodium, preservatives, and chemicals that can silently damage your body. Let's break it down. 1 serving of deli turkey might look small, but it can contain 500 to 700 milligrams of sodium, sometimes even more. For seniors, that's alarming. Excess sodium acts like a sponge, making your body hold onto water, which increases blood pressure. High blood pressure is one of the biggest risk factors for strokes, heart attacks, and kidney problems. And here's the kicker. Many seniors already have slightly elevated blood pressure. That innocent-looking turkey slice may be pushing your heart into dangerous territory without you realizing it. Deli turkey is often filled with sodium nitrate and sodium nitrite. These chemicals are added to keep the meat looking pink and fresh, even after sitting on a shelf for weeks. But inside your body, these preservatives can form carcinogenic compounds, substances linked to cancer. For someone over 60, whose immune system is already working harder to protect the body, this is a dangerous extra burden. It's like throwing fuel on a fire that's already smoldering. Yes, deli turkey does have protein, but it's not the kind of protein that builds strength and supports aging muscles in the best way.
Why?
Because the processing removes many of the natural nutrients and amino acids. Instead, you're left with a weaker, chemical-filled protein source that doesn't give your body the same healing power as fresh, whole cuts of meat. Think of it like this. Would you rather have a fresh apple from a tree or dehydrated apple candy coated in sugar? Both come from apples, but one nourishes you and one hurts you. The same applies here. Processed meats like deli turkey are directly linked by the World Health Organization to increased risks of colorectal cancer, heart disease, and even dementia. That's not fear-mongering, it's scientific fact. And here's something powerful to remember. After 60, every food choice you make either adds health to your years or quietly steals it away. Deli turkey falls into the second category. It's a hidden danger disguised as a healthy option. Instead of buying deli turkey slices, choose freshly roasted turkey breast at home. It's simple. Season a whole turkey breast with herbs, olive oil, and garlic, bake it, and then slice it yourself. You'll have real, nourishing protein without the chemicals. This way, you control the ingredients, avoid preservatives, and still get the convenience of sliced turkey for sandwiches or salads. Deli turkey may look harmless, but it's a sodium-loaded, preservative-packed trap that weakens your heart, pressures your blood vessels, and raises your risk of serious illness. At this stage of life, you deserve food that truly nourishes you, not fake, healthy meat designed to last on a shelf. Stay with me, because next we'll uncover another meat that seems healthy, but is secretly damaging seniors' health every single day. Chapter 2. The Truth About Factory-Raised Chicken Breast. For decades, chicken breast has been marketed as the ultimate healthy protein. Doctors, diet books, even fitness magazines have praised it, low in fat,
Lean.
perfect for your heart. And many seniors swapped red meat for chicken breast, believing they were making the best choice. But here's the shocking truth. If that chicken breast comes from a factory-farmed bird, it's not a health food, it's a hidden danger that could slowly weaken your body. For seniors over 60, it's even riskier, because your immune system, digestion, and heart health are more sensitive now. Let's peel back the curtain on what's really inside that so-called healthy chicken fillet. Most chickens in big industrial farms are raised in overcrowded, stressful, and unhealthy environments. They're fed unnatural diets filled with soy, corn, and sometimes antibiotics.
Why?
To make them grow unnaturally fast. The result? Meat that's inflated with water, low in natural nutrients, and often contaminated with chemical residues. When you buy those neatly packaged chicken breasts from large commercial brands, you're not just buying chicken, you're buying all the problems of industrial farming. Factory-raised chickens are often given antibiotics to prevent disease in crowded barns. The problem is, when you eat that chicken, you may also be eating antibiotic residues. Over time, this can disturb your gut health, the very system that protects your immunity. And here's something alarming for seniors. A weak gut makes it harder to absorb essential vitamins like B12, calcium, and magnesium, which are critical for bone strength, muscle health, and brain function. Some studies even show links between factory-farmed meat and antibiotic resistance, meaning when you get sick, certain medicines may no longer work effectively. Yes, chicken breast has protein, but the quality of that protein depends on how the animal was raised. Factory-raised chicken breast often has fewer omega-3 fatty acids, less iron, and fewer minerals compared to pasture-raised chicken. For seniors, that matters. Weak protein equals weaker muscles. And after 60, muscle strength is your key to independence, balance, and preventing falls. So while you may think you're protecting your health by eating chicken breast, factory-farmed meat may actually be undermining your strength silently. Here's something most people don't know. Many factory chicken breasts are soaked in saline solutions or chemical washes before being packaged. This makes the meat look plump and juicy, but it also adds hidden sodium and phosphates. High sodium, as we talked about in the last chapter, is a major trigger for high blood pressure, water retention, and heart strain. And phosphates? They weaken your kidney health, something seniors must protect at all costs. Factory-raised chicken breast may look clean and white, but underneath that image lies a cocktail of low-quality protein that doesn't rebuild your muscles effectively, antibiotic residues that harm your gut health, hidden sodium and chemicals that stress your heart and kidneys. For a senior over 60, this combination is a silent health time bomb. You may not feel the damage today, but years of eating it can add up to weaker bones, slower recovery from illness, and higher risks of chronic disease. Instead of factory-raised chicken, go for organic, pasture-raised chicken whenever possible. These chickens eat natural diets, roam freely, and produce meat that's richer in omega-3s, vitamins, and minerals. And here's a tip. If organic chicken is too expensive to buy often, reduce your portions but improve the quality. It's better to eat less but higher quality meat than large portions of factory meat. Factory-raised chicken breast isn't the health food it pretends to be. It's a processed, chemical-laden product that quietly chips away at your strength, immunity, and heart health. The good news? With better choices, you can still enjoy chicken in a way that truly nourishes your body. Up next, let's switch gears to the positive side. The meats that can actually add strength, vitality, and protection to your life after 60. Chapter 3. Grass-fed beef. When you hear the word beef, you might feel cautious. For years, headlines have screamed, "Red meat is bad for your heart," or "Avoid beef to prevent disease." Many seniors stopped eating it, swapping it for chicken or turkey instead. But here's the surprising truth. Not all beef is the same. The kind of beef you eat makes all the difference between healing your body and harming it. And when it comes to your health after 60, one type of beef stands out as a superfood for strength, energy, and longevity: grass-fed beef. Let's explore why this meat is one of the best daily protein choices you can make in your senior years. After age 60, your body naturally loses muscle mass in a condition called sarcopenia. Weak muscles lead to weak legs, poor balance, and higher risk of falls. The best defense? High-quality protein. Grass-fed beef provides a complete protein with all the essential amino acids your muscles need to rebuild and stay strong. Unlike processed meats, this protein is pure, dense, and highly absorbable. Think of your muscles as a house. Grass-fed beef gives you the bricks and cement needed to keep the walls sturdy, while factory meats hand you crumbling pieces that barely hold things together. One of the most common issues seniors face is low energy. Fatigue, dizziness, and shortness of breath can sometimes be traced back to iron deficiency. Grass-fed beef is one of the richest natural sources of heme iron, the form of iron your body absorbs most easily. This iron helps carry oxygen to your cells, giving you the energy to walk, play with grandchildren, or enjoy hobbies without getting tired so quickly. It's like upgrading from a half-charged battery to a fully charged one. Your body simply runs better. Vitamin B12 is another nutrient that becomes more critical after 60. Low levels can cause memory problems, depression, numbness in the hands and feet, and even balance issues. Grass-fed beef is one of the richest natural sources of B12. This vitamin nourishes your nervous system and brain, keeping your mind sharp and your mood stable. For seniors, that means more independence, clearer thinking, and better protection against dementia. Here's a surprising fact. Grass-fed beef actually has more omega-3 fatty acids than grain-fed beef. These healthy fats reduce inflammation, which is linked to arthritis pain, heart disease, and even Alzheimer's. That means grass-fed beef doesn't just feed your muscles, it calms your joints, protects your heart, and sharpens your brain. For someone living with stiffness or soreness, this can be a real game changer. Grass-fed beef contains higher levels of CLA, a natural fat that has been studied for its ability to fight cancer and improve metabolism. Imagine eating a food that not only nourishes your body but also actively protects you from disease. That's what CLA does. Let's not forget taste. Many seniors say grass-fed beef simply tastes better. It's richer, fuller, and more satisfying. When food is truly nourishing, your body knows it, and your taste buds agree. Of course, how you cook beef matters too. Skip the deep frying or processed burgers. Instead, enjoy grilled steaks, slow-cooked stews, or lean ground beef with vegetables. Simple, wholesome cooking keeps the nutrients intact and your body happy. And here's a tip. Portion control is key. You don't need huge steaks every day. Even a small serving of grass-fed beef, eaten regularly, can give you incredible benefits without overloading your system. Grass-fed beef is not your enemy, it's one of your best allies. With its rich protein, iron, B12, omega-3s, and CLA, it acts like a natural strength builder, energy booster, and disease defender all in one. Eating a little daily can be the difference between weakness and vitality in your golden years. Up next, we'll talk about another powerful meat you should eat daily, one that's rich, tender, and deeply nourishing. Chapter 4. Grass-fed lamb. When you think of lamb, you might imagine a special occasion meal, a Sunday roast, a holiday dinner, or a comforting stew from childhood. But here's something many seniors don't realize. Grass-fed lamb isn't just delicious, it's one of the most nutrient-dense meats you can add to your diet daily. In fact, for seniors over 60, lamb provides a unique combination of protein, vitamins, and healing fats that support everything from stronger bones to sharper memory. Let's uncover why this meat deserves a regular place on your plate. One of the challenges seniors often face is digestive discomfort. Some meats can feel heavy, leaving you bloated or sluggish. Grass-fed lamb, however, is often easier to digest compared to beef or pork. That means you can enjoy its rich flavor and still feel light, energized, and comfortable afterward. This makes it perfect for seniors who want the benefits of red meat without the digestive strain. Just like grass-fed beef, lamb is an excellent source of high-quality protein. But here's where it shines. Lamb is also rich in zinc and phosphorus, two minerals essential for bone density and repair. After 60, bone health becomes a top priority. Falls and fractures can quickly steal independence. By eating lamb regularly, you're not just feeding your muscles, you're reinforcing your bones like steel inside concrete. Grass-fed lamb is a natural source of several B vitamins, especially B12, niacin, B3, and riboflavin, B2. Together, these vitamins support nerve function, protect against memory decline, boost energy production. This means lamb is not just food for your body, it's food for your brain and spirit. Seniors who include lamb in their diet often report feeling more energetic and mentally sharper. One of lamb's biggest benefits is its fat profile. Unlike processed meats, lamb fat, especially from grass-fed animals, contains omega-3 fatty acids and CLA, conjugated linoleic acid. These fats are anti-inflammatory, which is a gift for seniors living with arthritis, joint stiffness, or chronic pain. Instead of fueling inflammation like processed meat, lamb calms it down, allowing more mobility and less discomfort. Lamb is also rich in zinc, a mineral that directly strengthens your immune system. As we age, our body's ability to fight off infections weakens. A diet rich in zinc can make you more resilient against colds, flu, and even slow-healing wounds. Think of zinc as your body's shield and repair kit, and lamb as the most delicious way to supply it. Food isn't just about nutrients, it's also about joy, memory, and connection. Many seniors grew up eating lamb in traditional dishes. By bringing lamb back to your table, you're not only nourishing your body, you're nourishing your soul with familiar comfort. And because grass-fed lamb is often raised more naturally than factory chicken, you can feel confident knowing you're choosing quality over chemicals. For daily eating, you don't need heavy sauces or fried dishes. Simple methods like grilling lamb chops, roasting with herbs, or making a light stew with vegetables keep the flavors rich and the nutrients intact. Portion tip: a small lamb chop or a few ounces of ground lamb in a stew is enough to give you the benefits. You don't need a feast every day, just consistent, moderate servings. Grass-fed lamb is not just a special occasion meat, it's a daily ally for strong bones, flexible joints, sharp memory, and a resilient immune system. It's gentle on digestion, rich in flavor, and deeply healing for the senior body. After 60, your health is not about restriction. It's about choosing foods that work for you, not against you. Every choice you make at the dinner table is either an investment in your independence or a withdrawal from it. So next time you shop, pause for a moment. Ask yourself, am I buying food that nourishes my body and protects my future, or am I buying something that weakens me? That single question can transform your health. Now I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried grass-fed beef or lamb? Did you notice a difference in how you felt? Share your story in the comments. Your experience may inspire another senior to make the switch today. And if you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe, and share it with a loved one. Together, we can build a community of seniors choosing strength, energy, and vitality.